Hi, do you want to know how you can have healthy food to eat? Do you really want to know? Because I really want to show you. This is where I am in the garden this morning. This is Gigi's Grow Bag Garden. This is where your health begins, right here in the garden. See my bed? I think this bed is, I don't know, 6 by 16, something like that. My brother, my brothers built this bed for me several years ago. So now I just came out to actually um, do the soil. And I was going to show you that this bed is so full of earthworms. That's what we call the white fat worms. We call them earthworms. And I know a lot of people call, back in the day, we call baits. Those are the brown things that, oh, he's going under there. I wanted y'all to see this. Oh my goodness. Let's see if I can find him. Oh, there he is. See that worm right there? Oh my goodness. This bed is so full of these worms. And I am so excited. So let me put him back over there. I am so excited, y'all. But I am getting ready to actually uh, get this garden started. And I'm going to take you along with me. Yes, I am. But if you want the best food that you can put in your mouth, grow your own. Y'all, I promise you, that is the truth. Grow your own. Nothing takes the cake when you grow your own vegetables. Anyway, this is this bed. Yesterday I bought, and I'm gonna take you over here and show it to you. See, I still got that over there to take care of. And of course, that's my potato bed right there. So I'll be fixing that up. And those tubs over there and those grow bags. Let me show you this. This is what I did. I pulled up some of these, oh my gosh, I can't even think of the name of them now. And I'm sure you all can think of the name of these. I pulled these up uh, probably a month ago or so. And there was one that they just came up by the root. So and I stuck it in this grow bag. And look at it. It is growing, y'all. Why can I not think of canna lilies? I think that's what that's called. Canna lilies. Yes. Oh yeah. So those grow bags gotta be tended to. Yeah, I got a lot of work to do. So here's what I'm doing. Uh, Here's what I'm doing is just taking some time to go through the garden. Now this is garlic. Y'all have never grown garlic. And I think that it's ready maybe when you can see the bulbs down in there, or when these die all the way back. I'm not sure. I've got to look that up. But anyway, I still had a little bit coming. I think I put this garlic out the end of November or the 1st of December. And I was late putting them out. So all these bags got to be tended to. So I got a lot of work to do. Got a lot of work to do. Look at that. And of course, this is my fig bush. I've got to transplant it. I got to get it out of here and put it in a larger container. But I want to walk you over here. This is where I'm going to put my okra this year. Right here in this little bed. This okra gonna have its own little bed. This is where I've been dumping my compost stuff. So I'm just figuring out, once I put the okra in here, it's really going to pop. You see these two plants right here? Y'all, these are potato plants. These are potato plants right here. And I'm just gonna leave them there, but I got to bank them up. You have to heal them up. They're called heal them up. So I've got to heal these up. And here's the bed right here. I've got to replenish the soil. And not sure what I'm going to put in here. Maybe some green beans or maybe my cucumbers. I don't know. But we're going to do it. Yes, we are. And we're going to go over here. And I want to show y'all that my seedlings did not do well. I bought them outside. and they didn't do well at all. So I have these tomatoes right here. Let's see what these are. Brandywine red, so I got 2 of those. And then I have this tomato plant here, which is aroma tomato. I'm hoping they're gonna make young. I'm not sure. This is black creme. So I have two black creme plants. The others did not make it. My cilantro did not make it in the bag. I don't know if I bought them outside too soon. I don't know. But here's my sweet potato. These are the Hannah yams. The slips are coming through. See that? These are slips. I don't know if you can see this right here or not, but that's another potato slip coming through. I'm showing y'all what's coming on in my garden. I'm excited to be out here. I am. These are Japanese sweet potatoes, and you see the slips coming through here. Look at that. I hope you can see that. They are coming through. Another Japanese sweet potato coming through. And over here, Beauregards are not coming through yet, but they will. They are just taking their own good time right now. But the main performance that I want you to see are my white potatoes that I put in the laundry baskets. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Now this basket is the one that had the eyes on it. You see it coming up? Oh my goodness. Once they get up a little bit higher, I will heal them with some more soil and they'll keep growing. They'll keep growing. I'm excited, y'all. And this is the laundry basket. See? Now over here, these are the potatoes that didn't have eyes, and I just stuck them in there. So, but they're gonna come. They're coming up. They're gonna come up. I promise you. Yes, yes, and yes. This is the cilantro, which is going to seed. And I thought I was just gonna pull it up, and I may eventually just go on and pull it up, because I have some cilantro I need to plant. Anyway, yesterday I went to Home Depot and bought some plants. I just bought plants. I decided, hey, I'm not going to be defeated. I'll do what I have to do. Okay? Now, here go these are the orange pepper. Now, they are looking good. The orange pepper, yellow peppers. See? These are the yellow peppers. Let me see which one these is. That's the red pepper. Okay, now this is what I bought from the store yesterday. This is cilantro. So I'm gonna plant that cilantro over there in that pot. And I think what I'm gonna do is just pull that old cilantro up over there. Can y'all see that right there? Uh-oh, uh-oh. Yeah, got kind of fuzzy, didn't it? Okay, so I bought 2 cilantros, and this is cucumber. So I have 6 cucumbers. So when you go to the big box stores and you want to buy these kind of plants, try to find a plant that had a container that has more than one plant. So these were like $3.98. So I got 6 plants. 6 plants for $8. So you know what? When all of this multiply, it's going to be worth it. I promise you. Okay, so this is another cilantro. And I bought a tomato. This is a Early Girl Plus. I never had Early Girl, but I just decided to try something this year. This one is, I bought 3 tomato plants. This one is a heirloom beefsteak tomato. All this was $3.98. And then I bought parsley. Ooh. This is parsley, Italian parsley. So I bought that. I got 2 containers of those. And also I bought 2 containers of basil, because I planted the basil seeds too, and basils didn't do anything. But I have, let me see how many plants in here. I have 3 plants in that container. Let me see how many is in here. And I have 2 plants. No, I got 3 plants in that container. Now the basil was, I think the basil was $4.98, I think. But look at this. Let me show you this. This is crookneck squash that look at it. That's a seed that didn't come up earlier and it's coming up now. So I wanted to share that with you all. So whatever your gardening plans are, go for it. Go for it. I promise you, you will not regret it. Let me show you this, and I got to pull this kale. I'm gonna make a smoothie today. Look at this. Look at this kale. I'm gonna make a smoothie out of this baby today. Yes, I am. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And of course, I gotta de-weed this, of course. Y'all, this is really therapeutic. You should get out and try it. This is therapeutic, you all. It's for real. Oh, it's for real. While I'm over here, I'm just pulling up these little weeds. Yeah, and I'm getting ready to get off of here. But I'm going to show you this lettuce that grew up from winter. And I don't want to pull it up. And my Swiss chard is just gone, so I'm going to have to pull all that up. Anyway, I just wanted to share the garden with you. Oh yeah, I do. So I'm getting that soil ready over there, and we're gonna have a ball. Okay, until the next time, peace and love, and broccoli, peace and love, and let's grow together. Let's grow and glow together.